Today I wanted to show you two pouches that I've been testing out by Evergoods. This is the same company that makes one of my favorite travel backpacks that I took on a recent trip to Jordan, the Civic travel bag, and I'm equally impressed with the quality in their pouches. The larger red one that I have here is the Civic Access Pouch 2-liter in the burgundy color. So far I've been using this about 2 months. As you can see, I test a lot of backpacks, so I wanted something I can put my everyday carry gear and transfer between packs. This has worked great for that. However, I've found on shorter trips this can be a little bit too big, so that's why I picked up the smaller CAP 1-liter, which is collapsible and has a much smaller footprint. The Civic Access Pouch, or CAP2 as it's known, it's called that because 2-liter capacity here. I consider this to be a fairly large amount of everyday carry gear. This thing is also padded on all 4 sides, which makes it also good for a tech pouch. The smaller CAP1, it's unpadded, it's much more floppy, and doesn't keep its form like the 2-liter pouch does. However, the advantage on this one is that it's much smaller and it will lay completely flat when it's empty. As far as materials and hardware, these are made from the same fabric as their Civic travel bag. It's a medium weight, 420 denier, high tenacity nylon, and they use these large, durable YKK zippers. The design in these pouches is very different, large, blocky design, open, lay flat design. However, I found for each use case, they've been working perfectly for what I need them for. The 2-liter CAP is a very sturdy pouch. Its padding gives it great structure, and this thing is going to stand up on its own and hold its form even when it's completely empty. This angled zipper here is perfect, allows you to open it, have access to all your gear at the same time. When you have the thing closed, there is a zipper over here, lets you get into this top triangle pocket from the outside. And then when you open this angled zipper, you can see this triangle pocket has a mesh opening here, a zipper on the inside. It gives you access to the same pouch from the other side. My favorite thing about this pouch is the versatility. This divider in the middle is able to slide back and forth, accommodating basically any kind of combination of gear you want to put in here. This thing can you use as a camera case if you want to just slide this middle divider out of the way and just use it as one large protected padded pouch. Conversely, if you have a lot of smaller gear like I do, you could just keep this pouch right here in the middle, and then you have a ton of options, dividers, pockets for all your small gear. On the back of the main pocket, 2 large dividers. I've been using this for chargers, charge cords, spare flashlight, knife, chapstick, small stuff like that. This middle divider sleeve, zipper top, it has a couple of small dividers in here if you want to put a lot of small gear. It's pretty thin, but this thing can also pop out a little bit wider if you want to put big gear in here. I've mostly been using this for thinner items like notebook, pen, and pencils. And then on the front, 3 small little divider sleeves, great for little tiny items like earplugs. And then the beauty of this design is the rest of your gear, kind of bigger stuff that you want to just put here in the middle, because this thing slides around, you can kind of jam whatever you want in here, and this middle divider sleeve will slide around to accommodate it. And then you can see when you unzip this thing, lay the bag down flat, it's gonna pretty much just sit right here, and you're gonna have really easy access to all your gear in this pouch. There's a few more features on the outside, 2 grab handles, 4 little fabric loops if you want to clip stuff to the outside, 2 front little pocket dividers here, and then a Velcro square if you want to attach patches. So I've been finding the CAP2 has been great for everyday carry if you have a lot of gear or if you want more protection for electronics. However, I find this pouch can be a little bulky for minimalist travel, especially because it holds its shape and can take up a lot of space in your pack even when it's empty. Which is why I decided to try out the smaller CAP1. This thing is only half the volume, however, it takes up much less space and squishes down completely flat when it's empty. I find the style on the CAP1 is much better for minimalist travel. It gives you a lot more options on places to store the bag. For example, you can just slide it here on the front pouch of your travel backpack, which you can't really do with the CAP2. This pouch has a very strong magnetic clasp, making it really easy to open, lay flat design, open onto 2 pouches, 1 on each side. And just so you know, the bright orange color here is available in the OD green. If you like that, that's the color for you. If not, all the other colorways have the same gray interior as my CAP2. The design is very simple, but it has some features that make it really useful. Each pocket has a divider on the left side, just 1 large divider with 2 sides. This pocket has divider and 2 smaller sleeves on the front. In the middle, little sleeve for a pen or pencil. It's right in the crease, so it's not going to get in the way of the rest of the gear. The great thing about this design is these pockets actually have their own volume. You can see the seams here on the outside make this fabric stick out from the bag, meaning you can fit a lot more into these pockets than you think you can. And then this is an example of what I'm talking about. I'll just take everything out of one side and I'll stuff everything over here onto the other pocket. So I got this thing pretty full here. This one is empty, and you can see from the side, this one pocket just basically pops out to accommodate all your gear, and this pocket on the right here is basically flat. This magnetic clasp design works great because this part of the bag where the magnet's attached to is angled. This thing is going to work equally well when the bag is empty or when you have it completely full. Like I said earlier, even when this thing is completely packed out, it's just a much sleeker, slimmer design, versatile, lets you pack it out fat, slim it down when it's empty. You can put this thing in your main bag, or if you want to, slide it into the slash front pocket on a travel backpack. I hope you enjoyed this review on the Evergoods Civic Access pouches. Again, 2 styles, very different designs. The 2-liter here I think works better for everyday carry. If you have more gear, if you want more protection for tech gear. The smaller one, CAP1, I think works better for minimalist travel. Really versatile design, lets you hold all your gear and expands to accommodate whatever you put in it. And again, I have the burgundy color in the CAP2, OD green, CAP1. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.